Okay.
Which way are we going?
This way. We're gonna go this way. We're just gonna take a quick walk around the neighborhood. Really quick.
Look at me.
Yeah. I don't think anybody's out at this time.
Yeah, no, probably not.
But yeah.
Yeah.
So, my house.
It's super great.
I can't see you. Like, the camera and the light is in my blind spot. So I think you're on camera. Your tail looks so cute. Like, seriously, it's so adorable. Look at that fluffiness. Look at the fluffiness.
Don't hate me because I'm beautiful.
You're beautiful, senpai. You are gorgeous.
This braid. I'll just like braid out.
Okay. You're so beautiful. Here, people. Get me in the video. You want to get me in the video?
Yes.
We'll probably go back the same way we came, okay?
Okay.
So, just tell me how far you want to go down or when you're dying or whatever. You can see the camera, right?
Yep.
Okay. So for me, the light, it was in my blind spot. How big is your blind spot? Like, okay.
I cannot see these 3 fingers.
Okay, because there's like an extra blind spot right here for me. So, right here.
Ah.
Fluffy tail.
Trying not to hit things.
Yeah. Here, I'll take the camera back.
Yeah.
Okay. Da-da-da.
Let me find out what time it is.
Okay.
You can't get into your purse.
I have such a tiny bag that I use as my purse, and it's
see
like infinity in there.
We should go back.
Okay. You want to head back now?
Yeah.
Turning around.
Oh,
I will end the video now.
Cool.
Say bye. Bye.
Bye.